Next, let's crochet the chick's hair. Take the yarn in the color that matches the chick's hair color from the pattern instructions. Then, hold the crochet chick body. In rounds 2, 3, and 4, work 3 SC, 1 SC, 3 SC, 1 SC in the back loop of each stitch. And find the loose yarn end on the side. Start from this point, which is the second round of the body. Let me show you with a large needle. These are the 3 inner half stitches from when we crochet the body. The second round, the third round, and here is the fourth round. We will begin by inserting the hook into the second round, starting from this stitch. Now, take your crochet hook and insert it through the inner half stitch of the second round. The second round has 6 stitches. Alright, we will insert the hook into the first stitch. Take the yarn in the color for the hair. Hold the yarn and fabric together. And wrap the yarn around the hook, pulling it through the stitch. Next, crochet 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now, we are still in the same stitch. The first stitch. Crochet a single crochet stitch into this same stitch. Place the loose yarn end on your hook. Wrap the yarn around and pull through the stitch. You should now have 2 loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn again and pull it through both loops. Continue by crocheting 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now, crochet another single crochet stitch into the same stitch. This completes the hair in the first stitch. Next, we will crochet the hair in the second stitch. Crochet 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then, continue by crocheting a single crochet stitch into the second stitch. Find the second stitch. Insert the hook and place the loose yarn end on top of the hook. Now, crochet 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. And crochet another single crochet stitch into the same second stitch. This completes the hair in the second stitch. Next, we will crochet the hair in the third stitch. Crochet 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now, continue by crocheting a single crochet stitch into the third stitch. Place the loose yarn end on top of the hook. Next, crochet 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, and crochet another single crochet stitch into the same third stitch. This completes the hair in the third stitch. Continue following this sequence to complete the rest of the hair. Once the hair is finished, pull the loop larger and cut off the loose yarn. Then, pull the loop out. Take a large needle, hold the loose yarn end, and thread it through. Pull the yarn end out. Then insert the needle through the body. This will secure the yarn. Next, we will fit the body onto the mechanism. Find the small hole above the yarn end and insert the mechanism into this hole. After inserting the mechanism, take the stuffing and tweezers and carefully fill the space between the body and the mechanism. Continue adding small amounts of stuffing at a time. It will look cuter if the belly is a bit plump, so keep adding stuffing until you're satisfied. Once the stuffing is in, adjust and press it to make it even. If any area feels understuffed, add a little more. Turn the mechanism to check which direction the chick is facing. This will be the front of the chick. The facial expression should be placed on this side. Now, take the eyes, beak, and wings that you crocheted earlier.